Hello everyone, and for today I'm gonna show you how to install HUD Apocalypse custom theme for Windows 10 version 2004. Right now I'm gonna show you my version. Okay, like you see, the version is 2004, the latest version of the Windows 10. And before you download this custom theme, you need to patch your Windows first. So how to patch Windows 10 for version 2004? You can watch my tutorial. The link for tutorial will be in description below of this video. So first patch your Windows 10 for version 2004 and then install custom theme. Okay, after that go to this link. This is the only download link for this custom theme. I can't re-upload it to somewhere else, so you need to make account on virtual customs. After you make account, you should see these links. So these are download links, and I'm gonna only download the HUD Apocalypse theme and HUD Apocalypse theme extras. So these download links I'm gonna download. Okay, HUD Apocalypse theme extras and HUD Apocalypse theme. I'm gonna skip side images, icon pack, and 7tsp app. I don't use it. So after you download the theme and the theme extras, you can download this wallpaper. I'm gonna use it for the background of my desktop. Okay, I'm gonna extract the files from the WinRAR, and first open the HUD Apocalypse theme extras. Okay, I'm gonna skip black glass, and then I will go to context menu shortcuts. This is really cool if you want to add classic appearance. So right now you can see on my right click context menu I have the shortcuts for personalization. If you don't want this, you don't need to install this, but I like it. Also, if you want to remove, just merge the remove classic appearance, merge and click yes, and that's it. Go back. I'm gonna skip this folder, icons, clear cache, context shortcuts, remove the full colors, click merge, click yes, click OK. I'm gonna skip system clock because this takes some time to show how to change the system clock. We have system metrics, apply the HUD machine system metrics, click yes, click OK. We have system transparency. I have already made a tutorial for system transparency, you can watch it also. And we have a task manager and scheme, but I'm gonna skip these folders. I don't have so much time, I'm not gonna confuse you. Okay, after that go to the HUD Apocalypse theme, copy these files, open the themes shortcut and just paste it here. Okay, I already have the HUD Apocalypse, and after this go to personalize, go to the themes and select HUD Apocalypse. Okay, we are almost done. Like you see, my start menu and the taskbar didn't change. If you want to change the taskbar and the start menu, you need to install Start is Back. So here in the Start is Back, in the appearance, we can select the custom start menu. I'm gonna click OK, and whoa, that's it. Okay, now what we can apply? We can apply the system transparency. So the system transparency is here in the extras of the theme, but if you want to more understand in the detail how this app is working, I have made a tutorial. Also the link will be in the description below of this video. Okay, I'm gonna set the number of the transparency 210, and then I will affect the taskbar, start menu and the Explorer windows. I'm gonna click OK, and now I have the full glass effect. Okay, and now for the last step, I'm gonna open this wallpaper and set to desktop background. I don't know, I really like this background. It's somehow goes with this custom theme, because the theme is red and black and the background is white and black, and it's really fits and I really like it. So that's it. That's how you can install this, one of the, for at least for me, one of the best themes for the Windows 10. Also, this theme can be found on Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10. Okay, that's it. Hope you're gonna like it. So I have the HUD Apocalypse Ultimate Edition on my Windows 10, the latest version of the Windows 10 2004, and with full glass effect. Also, in the start is back, you can tweak the appearance of the taskbar, start menu, glass effect, and other tweaks, but I'm not gonna confuse you. So that's it. It's easy. Okay, thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.